So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a virtual hard disk in Windows 10. So the first thing is to go to File Explorer and make sure you have enough space. I'll be using this drive which has 232 gigabytes. Go to your Start menu, type Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. Click on Open, click on Action, Create VHD, Browse, go to the drive where you wanted to save it, right click, create a new text document, click on Save. I'll be allocating 100 gigabytes to it. Click on VHD and dynamically expanding. Click on OK. Go to the disk you have created. Click on Initialize, GPT, OK. Right click on it. Click on Use Small Volume. Next, next. You can give it any letter. Next. You can call it whatever you want. Next, finish. Then when it's done, it will open up. So that's it for this video. If you learned something new, click on that subscribe button, like and share, and I'll see you in the next video.